Move the ball. That's it, that's it.
Yo, fellas, rematch up. Yeah, we're good, we're good. We're here, right here.
And one! Yo, he had no handles still. No handles. No handles. Whoa, look up. Push the ball. That's it. That's all right. That's good. That's good. Yo, get back now. D up. Yo, keep up the pressure, guys. Keep up the pressure. Yo, we're only down 4. Come on. Man. That's all right. That's all right. You by yourself. You're by yourself. Right, left. Go, go, go.
Hit the rim.
Slow it down.
You can get me now.
Yo, so who got new man? Who got new man? Who got new man coming in? Good shot, Chris. That's it. Nice shot. Hey, Dio, who got new man? Who got the new man?
I got this guy.
I'll take ball. I got ball. I got ball. Take red. Take red. Take red.
Stay on your feet, Nick. Stay on your feet. Hands up. No, don't leave your man, Nick. That's right. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Good. One shot.
One, here we go, one. Pitch. I got shooter.
Good shot, Jay. Hey, D up now. Let's D up now. Yo, we're only down a bucket. We need one stop. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Find the ball handler. There you go. Come on, Joe. Let's get a stop. Let's get a stop. Come on. We only down a bucket. Let's go. Ah, good D. Good D, Nick. Good defense, Nick. Let's go. Rebound. Way to go, way to go, let's go. Don't leave him, Nick. Yo, let's get a stop, guys. Way to go. I have it on camera. I can replay that.
Chaos to him.
I got it on film. I'll show you later. Oh, God. Go, go, Nick, go, Nick. Get back, Nick, get back, Nick, get back, Nick. Come on, Jay, come on, Jay.
Yes, get out of his way. He's got the rim. Yes.
Go, Jay, go, Jay. All right.